Hi, my name is David Amell, and I'm a partner here in the California office of MRHFM. I've been representing people with mesothelioma since 2003. Our clients are people who did nothing wrong. They simply went to work every day, provided for their families, and did the job they were supposed to do. That they were exposed to toxic asbestos dust that caused them to develop an incurable cancer is a terrible injustice, and I am proud to work on their behalf. I lead a team of attorneys, paralegals, and investigators in California that has extensive experience working on mesothelioma cases. In fact, most of our team has been working with me for over 10 years. Some have lost loved ones to mesothelioma. All on my team are compassionate, caring people who understand the impact that a diagnosis of mesothelioma causes a family. We work hard for our clients as a team, and we do so in a way that is respectful to you and your loved ones. My team works for our clients that have been exposed to asbestos in California. California is unique. It has one of the highest incidents of mesothelioma in the country. Every year, more people are diagnosed with mesothelioma in California than almost every other state. This is not only because it is the most populous state, it is also because of its history. California boomed during the last decades of the 20th century. The state's population grew, as did its cities and industry. Asbestos products were used widely in construction and industrial job sites. Over the years, I've represented clients that worked at most of the major industrial and commercial sites in California where asbestos was commonly used. I have represented pipe fitters who were exposed to asbestos insulation when they worked shutdowns in the refineries of the San Francisco Bay Area as well as the LA Basin. I have represented plumbers in the Central Valley who laid asbestos cement water and sewer lines. I have represented electricians who worked in PG&E and SoCal Edison power plants. I have represented boiler technicians who worked at shipyards such as NASCO and Todd. And I have represented drywallers who were exposed to asbestos while building high-rises in San Francisco. As a result of handling prior cases such as these, my team and I have developed extensive knowledge as to the manufacturers and suppliers of asbestos products used at job sites throughout California. And we use this information to maximize the recovery for our clients in a way that a firm that is unfamiliar with California job sites simply cannot. Often our clients say that they don't know where they could have been exposed or that they worked at job sites with unknown asbestos exposures. In some instances, it is a challenge to determine how our client was exposed. We welcome that challenge. For example, we recently represented a gentleman who worked as a paint formulator. He swore that he never used asbestos as an ingredient in the paint. However, talc was an ingredient that he used. Our client mixed the talc into the paint. Unbeknownst to him, the talc that he used came from a mine in Death Valley that was contaminated with a form of asbestos called tremolite. Because of our extensive product knowledge, we proved this and obtained a favorable result for him. Today, many asbestos cases have been filed in California. There are special courts dedicated to asbestos cases in California. Oakland, San Francisco, and Los Angeles all have specific courts designated to handle asbestos cases. These courts have their own special rules, many of which benefit people who are bringing claims. For example, if you have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, we can almost certainly obtain a quick trial date for your case so that we will be able to conclude your case within 6 months of filing. We have vast experience in asbestos law. We understand the particulars of California law and procedure and the impact on mesothelioma cases. It is our honor and our privilege to represent our clients, and I am proud of the results we obtain for them. You've worked your entire life to provide for your family. I hope that you will give us the opportunity to meet with you and discuss in more detail how we can help you. Thank you.